Welcome to a 123 Dream It tutorial. Today, we are showing you how to clean and maintain a domestic overlock sewing machine. You need a flat or cross screwdriver, depending on the screws your machine uses, scissors, a lint brush, sewing machine special oil. We recommend some spout oil from the Overlock brand. It does not stain the fabric and is exclusive for sewing machines. The first thing you should do is to cut the threads between the gauges 2 and 3. Remove the spools. Now remove the extension and open the front cover. Raise the presser foot and remove the threads. Pull the strings to loosen the over. Clean on lint and thread residue with the lint brush. Remember to remove the lint before oiling your machine. Remove the presser foot. Now, remove the stitch tongue if your machine has this accessory. And lastly, hide the blade from your over. Now, remove the needle plate screw using the screwdriver. Be careful to not lose the pieces. And remove the needle plate. Insert the lint brush where you removed the plate and remove all the fluff that is there. Clean all the hard-to-reach places. Let's start with the oiling. This oil can reach difficult areas on your domestic overlock sewing machine, with a flexible spout that extends and retracts. We're applying a drop of oil on 7 critical points. All these vital points are the moving parts of your overlock machine, where there may be friction and mesh. We're going to start with the first point, and this annotation applies to the other points. It will be helpful if you move the steering wheel until the drop stays well in all the pieces. Do not forget to move the steering wheel every time you apply a drop of oil. Remember that it is essential to use a special oil for sewing machines. If you use cooking oil, you run the risk of the pieces getting hot from friction, since these oils are made to heat up at high temperatures and even burn. Replace the needle plate and secure it with a screw. And we're going to follow the rule that the last thing we remove is going to be the first thing we place. Tighten the screw well with the screwdriver. And put the stitch tongue back on. Now place back on the plate. Return the presser foot. And put the front cover. And it's done! You already gave cleaning and maintenance for a domestic overlock sewing machine. We recommend that you let your machine rest for a couple of hours before using it again. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to visit our website 123dreamit.com.